Tracking your health isn't just about guessing, it's really about knowing. And so that's why we're combining how you feel, which is your subjective data, with real, trackable, measurable, objective data. But how do we do it? Let's break it down. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele, and this is our Intro to Holistic Medicine course. We're breaking it all down with our subjective and objective data using both our Holistic Life app as well as you can use a paper log as well. So if you're using the Holistic Life app, you can find a link for that either below or actually in your communities. There's a link right there. So once you log in, you'll open up the app and you'll log in and you'll click on surveys. Once you click on surveys, you'll notice there's a questionnaire in there. It'll ask you a series of questions. Now, I really encourage you to take a lot of time with this because it's probably about 20 pages of questions. I know that's a lot of questions, but the reason being is we want to really get a thorough feel of what you're feeling, what you're thinking. So take your time, relax. Remember, this is all self-paced. The next thing we're going to work with is our objective data. So you can actually sync wearables and set your vitals, and you can do all kinds of things and even manual entries, but we're going to be manually taking our pH levels. If you haven't got your pH strips, this is a great time to do it. I've got, again, links below. We've definitely got you supported all along the way. We'll do a separate video about taking your pH levels, so make sure that you'll be confident knowing that you're taking accurate data. Once you get into the app, there's a tracking under body. I'll walk you all through it. Don't worry. And also, too, if you want to utilize a paper tracker, we can do that as well with our metabolic pH guide. Also, you'll be able to download and print out the nutritional assessment questionnaire. There'll be, again, a link below to make it easy. However, links are available in your communities. All right, so now that we got all of that out of the way, we're going to take some time, really relax, fill out your nutritional assessment questionnaire, either if you do it digitally or you decide to do it paper, whichever one. And really, it's just about thinking about it. We'll total up the numbers probably towards Wednesday, if not Saturday. So we'll work on that and then also go ahead and get your pH strips and start playing around with tracking and check out the videos below that will go deeper into kind of how to assess and how to take all the data accurately. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below.